Hello guys, how are you? In this video I'm going to show you how to scrap a web page in Python, and I'm going to create an interface where we will enter the URL and the tag to scrap from the web page. So let's continue our coding. Import Tkinter STK from Tkinter import TTK message box. Import, we will use request and we will use beautiful soup. Okay, I don't know what is so beautiful, but I'm using this. Okay, so PS4 import beautiful soup. Okay, now we have to create a function which will process our web scraping. Scrap website. Okay, for now let's make it just return true, and let's create our interface. I'm adding a default font size here so you can easily view it in the video. So I'm using option add font. This will be applied to globally on all the widgets. Now we have to add some widgets like URL label, website URL, I will use grid here, row will be 0, column 0. Let's add some paddings for x-axis and y-axis padding 10. Sticky west, and we have to add an entry where we will enter the website URL. Width will be 50. Grid, row will be 0, and here we will use column 1, pad x 10, pad y 10, and sticky west. Right, now we have to add a button. Scrap button dot grid, row will remain 0, column will be 2, pad x 10, pad y 10. Now we have to add a text area where we will show the output. Great. And here we will use row 1. Column will be 0. And here I will use column span 3. Let me show you the interface. Okay, now here we will enter the URL, and when we click this button, the output should be showing here. So let's continue our function part. URL entry.get. So this will return the value of our entry, which is URL text field. If not URL, we will show the message box. Please enter a URL. Now here we will use request to fetch the URL. Response request dot get URL. Response dot raise for status. Okay, this will raise an error if the request is unsuccessful. Now I'm using beautiful soup. Response.text, html.parser. Now we have to see what to fetch. So in this video I'm going to fetch titles. Okay, like any titles, any text within any tag. Okay, so here I'm setting just titles. Soup.find all. Let's suppose we have to fetch heading h1, h2, h3. So we will enter h1 here, or h2, or h3, like that. Okay. Now here output text dot delete 1.0 tk dot end. This will reset our output text field. I'm going to use enumerate. Okay, here I will use title.get text. /n for new line. And now here except. For exceptions, request dot exceptions request exception SE. So if the request is failed, we will throw a message. Okay, now this code will fetch H3 headings from any web page that we enter. Let me show you, then we will work further here. Okay, see, if I enter, let me paste the URL. Oh, let me get the URL. Okay, let's scrap this Wikipedia URL, and you can see it returned all the H3 titles. Okay, now I want to add another field here, and if I enter any tag there, it should return all the titles from all the text from that tag. Okay, so let's work for it. We have to enter a URL and a text field. Watch carefully, guys. Don't forget to like and share my video, guys, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Okay, here tag label, tag. Now see here, we will use column 2, tag entry, and here column will be 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? And here will be column 4. Okay, so I added the label and a text field. Let me show you how is it looking. See this. So I want to cover this area. Wait, let me reduce the size of tag entry. 25 will be good enough. Okay, and I will change this column span value to 4, 5. So 5. Let me try this. Okay, see, right? Now if I enter any tag here, it should return all the text from that tag, all those tags that I mentioned here. So here we go, tag name, tag entry.get. Okay, and I will simply use tag name here. Let's try it. I paste the URL here, and see, if I enter h1, it should return h1. Okay, and if I enter h2, it should return all h2 tags. Okay, if I enter, let's suppose p, it should return all the p's. You can see all the paragraphs are here. Okay, see, so it's working good, and you can do anything, you can apply more things, whatever you like you can do here. So this was our topic of this video. I hope you like this. Thank you guys, see you in next video. Goodbye.